Students, welcome you all in today's session. That is from standard 6th, lesson number 6. Student, as we already covered our PowerPoint lesson, which was lesson number 5, more on PowerPoint. After that, we are starting our this lesson because it is also connected with previous one. In previous lecture, we covered our graphs, chart, and some formatting features of chart and types of chart. We all cover it, right? In this chapter we will learn how we can animate a text and objects. It is very interesting and very important lesson because the main feature of the PowerPoint is animating the text, right? And it always looks very beautiful and very attractive and appealing also when text are moving on the screen, right? Let's start. In this lesson, the topics which we are going to be covered, they are applying animation effects, adding transition effects, inserting sound from a file and on sound, inserting video clips using action button, and importing data from Word. These are the commands, basically 6 points we will cover in this chapter. Now start. First of all, applying animation effect. First of all, you have to know that what is animation. Animation means, students, when something is moving by their own, it is animation. Means when something means any text, any graphics, or any pic, or any you can say any object on the screen, when moving by its own automatically, it is called animation, right? The ability to move object like text, graphics, charts, logos, etc. in any direction in the slide is called animation, right? Same way I told you. Animation is quite beneficial when you wish to focus on the important points. Look, student, if you have 9 or 10 text on the screen, and if you want to highlight only one text, then you can give animation to that particular text or particular object, whatever it is. ठीक है, ताकि बाकी चीजें जो हैं they will stand still and one thing will move, one object will move, and automatically the attraction will be catched by that moving object, right? It is also control the ordered of flow of the information and helps in increasing the interest of the audience. Suppose you have 10 lines in a slide, then one by one you want to bring the line on the screen, just like a news in your news channels. They also used this technique, animation, to increase the interest of the audience, means VR, right? Our interest. You can animate the text, picture, shapes, table, smart art, graphics, and other objects in a presentation by applying sound effects and visual effects, including movement. Follow the given steps to make specific change to the text and objects. Up side by side, I will open the PowerPoint in my computer and will show you practically. Theoretically, we will read from this page, and practically I will show you so that you can also perform into your computer. I am opening PowerPoint from there because I have PowerPoint 2013, and it may be 2007 or 2010 into your computer, but no problem at all because some names are changed only. All the options almost same. When I click on it, the PowerPoint is opening like this. And if I open any PowerPoint, uh, suppose I am opening this slide, right? Okay, ये आ गया देखो यहाँ पे. और suppose I have a 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 lines I have, and two drawing object also, two drawing objects also, and I want to animate it. अब इसको एनिमेट करने के लिए हमें क्या करना होगा बेटा? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्लिक ऑन द टेक्स्ट व्हाट विच यू वांट टू एनिमेट. इसको करने के लिए हमें क्या करना होगा, देन गो ऑन एनिमेशन टैब, दिस इज एनिमेशन टैब, क्लिक ऑन इट, राइट, देन go in add animation. Okay, before it I want to show you how you can animate or how you can give effects on your slide. Means slide screen पर कैसे आए, it will be set, it can be set from the transition effects tab, this transition. Look students, whenever I move my cursor, mouse pointer cursor on the uh, these options which are showing upper side, then the effect will automatically came. Look, if I click on it, look, this is the preview, this is the transition. Means in how many ways or in which way you want to show your slide. ये slide आने का एक style है. अभी text की बात हम आगे करेंगे. Slide means ये page, white page. How you want to show it on the animation, like reveal, this style, random bars, this style, shape, uncover, wipe, push, fade, cut, or if you want to show the all effects, then click on more button. Here is a more button, click on it and you will get all the options. Look, split. Okay, so these options can be changed if you are not using PowerPoint 2013. It may be changed in 2010 and it may be changed in 2017, but options are there and transitions effects are there. Transitions means the effect which we want to apply on the slide, right? So transition is decide that how in which way you want to show your slide on the screen, right? Suppose I am choosing this reveal. It is very slow, so I choose split, right? Then it is automatically saved. No need to save it, right? Because in between you can save your slide, but especially no need to save it. Now I want to animate the text on the screen. Before it, let's check. Okay. First of all, select the text which you want to animate. Now go on animation. Animation. Okay. When you go on animation, then you will have this button in advanced animation group. This is advanced animation group and you have the button of add animation. What is it? Add animation. When you click on it, you will have some options. And the options are number one, entrance. Entrance क्या होता है? Whenever anything comes into the screen, जब कोई चीज स्क्रीन पे आएगी, that is entrance. Suppose you are coming in the room, it means it is your entrance, right ना? तो एक entrance हो गया. When how you want to show the text come into your slide, ठीक है? इस white page के ऊपर आप text को कैसे लेके आना चाहते हो? It is about this entrance. After that, emphasis. When the text is came into the into the page, after that what change do you want on the text? उसके अंदर आप क्या चाहते हो कि वो color change हो जाए या it may be bigger in size, smaller in size, little bit movement in it. These are emphasis. Emphasis का मतलब होता है to give a special view. You can see it, right? You can see it that give a special look or special view. It is emphasis. It will applicable after the entrance. After the entrance. Next is exit. Once the text will or object will come, after that, if you want to move it from the slide, then you can use exit option, right? And next is motion path. It is also very important area, but I will focus on three areas, that is entrance, emphasis and exit. After that, we can move on motion path, right? Let's students, let's start. First of all, click on the text, then go on animation and add animation. And first of all, in entrance, suppose I want to use fly in. Yeah, suppose I want to use zoom. Look, this is zoom, right? Click on it again, go add animation again. Now emphasis, color plus. ये देखो एक बार आएगा तो that will blink. This is number 2 animation. Again click on it, add animation and exit. How you want to disappear it? उसको कैसे आप उसको बाहर भेजना चाहते हो? These are the options, right? Suppose survival. Go, right? So if you want to show the animation which I gave you, then you can use animation pan. This is animation pan. It will come automatically at the right hand side, right beta? It will come on right hand side. From there you can play before apply. When you play on it, this look, click on first entrance, now play. It will come emphasis and exit. I hope you understand. It is very quick. Look, when I play from, when I click on play from, it will start from entrance and emphasis and then exit. Entrance, emphasis, exit. I hope you understand. Let's apply another effect on another text, right? Go on animation, then entrance. Entrance में अब की बार मैं ले लेता हूँ इसमें wheel, like this, right? Again, after that, add animation. Like this. Its color changed. It automatically converted into black. Next, now exit. Exit is suppose bounce. Like this. Okay, let's start. Click on first, then play form. This is first. This is second, entrance, emphasis and exit. All three effects are applying very easily. In this way, you can apply same effects on remaining text. Like click on it, after press control button, click on it, control button and control button and control button. Now go in add animation. Suppose I choose random bars. I choose random bars. It is after that brush color like this, and after that exit के अंदर it is random bars. Okay, let's start. Let's start from first. Now play. 1, 2 and 3. राइट? तो जितने भी टेक्स्ट आप एक बार सिलेक्ट कर लोगे, दैट विल अप्लाई ऑन एवरीथिंग, राइट? तो ये था हमने आज दो चीजें बेटा की हैं. नंबर 1 हमने क्या किया है, फर्स्ट इज हाउ वी कैन अप्लाई ट्रांजिशन इफेक्ट्स टू आवर स्लाइड. अब इस सारे को देखने के लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं, गो ऑन स्लाइड शो एंड फ्रॉम बिगनिंग. स्लाइड शो एंड बिगिनिंग। सेकंड को अंदर, सेकंड को मैं चलो रहने देते हैं। इट इज फ्रॉम बिगिनिंग। लुक नाउ, फर्स्ट एंट्रेंस, then emphasis, then exit. Now second entrance, emphasis black हो गया and exit. थर्ड पोर्शन में ये सारे के सारे आएंगे, एंट्रेंस, emphasis and exit. Click on it. ये आ गया, नेक्स्ट आ गया। नेक्स्ट के अंदर मैंने किया हुआ था पहले, लिव इट, राइट। तो ये हमने सीखा बेटा कि पहले स्लाइड कैसे आएगी, दैट इज ट्रांजिशन, नॉट ट्रांजैक्शन, ट्रांजिशन। इट इज ट्रांजिशन इफेक्ट। ट्रांजिशन इफेक्ट इज रिलेटेड विद स्लाइड, कि एंटायर स्लाइड पहले कैसे आएगी। देखो जैसे मैंने फ्रॉम किया, ये जो आया है निकल के एकदम लाइट, दिस इज ट्रांजिशन। ये स्लाइड आ गई एक बार, और उसके बाद जितने भी हमने किए हैं, इनके ऊपर जितने इफेक्ट्स हमने अप्लाई किए, दीज आर एनिमेशंस। स्लाइड के ऊपर ट्रांजिशन और टेक्स्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट के साथ एनिमेशन। आई होप इट इज क्लियर टू ऑल। तो आज एक छोटा सा सेशन ही मैंने लेना था, एंड दैट इज एंड फ्रॉम माय साइड, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू unmute you all so that you can ask any question and I will take your attendance.